Let's go. We're gonna walk up the hill to Fort Charlotte. Good girl. It's a very hot day today. Oh my gosh. So hot. Italy, let's go. Up the hill. Good girl. Up the hill. Trying to tire out. It's not too steep, but it's a little hill. Right, Italy? Come, let's go. Go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, go. Forward. Good girl. Enjoying the walk up the hill. Fort Charlotte. Nice. Good job. We made it. Backside of Fort Charlotte, where the Pirates had a base. But this is the best part, to show you the view. Tell me this is not amazing. Bahamas, this is called Arawaki, which is a port. Uh-oh, she's pulling me. And there we go. Hey, hey, you're all tangled up. Good girl, good girl.